Learning a new language is an adventure. It's like receiving a key to a whole new world. Imagine understanding movies, music, and books in another language. Think about talking to people from different cultures. It's all possible when you learn a new language. You can travel to new places and feel more confident. Ordering food, asking for directions, and having simple conversations becomes much easier. Locals will appreciate your efforts, and you'll have a richer travel experience. Learning a new language is also great for your brain. It improves memory, problem-solving skills, and even multitasking abilities. It's like a workout for your brain, making it stronger and sharper. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive in. Immersion is key to learning a new language fast. It's not just about studying, it's about living the language. Think of it like swimming. You can't learn to swim by staying dry. You wouldn't learn to swim by just reading about it, right? You need to feel the water, understand its resistance, and learn how to move through it. You need to jump in the water. The same goes for language learning. Start by surrounding yourself with the language as much as possible. Create an environment where the language is a part of your daily life. Watch movies and TV shows in your target language, even with subtitles at first. This helps you get used to the sounds and rhythms of the language. Listen to music and try to pick out words and phrases. Music is a fun way to learn pronunciation and new vocabulary. Change your phone and computer settings to your target language. This small change can make a big difference in your learning process. It might feel strange at first, but you'll be surprised how quickly you start picking up new words and phrases. The more you see and use the language, the more familiar it becomes. The more you immerse yourself, the more natural the language will feel. It will start to become second nature. Remember, it's all about constant exposure and practice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So, jump in and start swimming in your new language. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of learning. In today's digital age, we have amazing tools at our fingertips to help us learn languages. Language learning apps are like having a personal tutor in your pocket. Apps like Duolingo and Babbel offer interactive lessons, games, and quizzes to make learning fun and engaging. They use spaced repetition techniques to help you remember new vocabulary and grammar rules. The best part? You can learn anytime, anywhere. On the bus, during your lunch break, or even while waiting in line. These apps make it incredibly convenient to fit language learning into your busy schedule. Remember, consistency is key. Even a short 15-minute session each day can make a huge difference in your progress. So, download an app and start learning today. When you start learning a new language, it's tempting to jump into complex grammar rules and obscure vocabulary. You might feel the urge to dive into the deep end, thinking that mastering these will make you fluent faster. But the truth is, you don't need to be a linguist to have a basic conversation. Everyday interactions don't require advanced language skills. They rely on simple, common phrases. Focus on mastering the most common words and phrases first. These are the building blocks of any language and will help you communicate effectively in most situations. Think about the words you use most often in your native language, like hello, which is a universal greeting that opens up conversations. Thank you, which shows appreciation. Please, which is essential for polite requests. Yes, no, which is just as important, and excuse me, which helps you navigate social interactions smoothly. Learn how to say these basic phrases in your target language. They are your keys to unlocking everyday conversations. Practice them until they become second nature. Repetition is crucial. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel. You'll be surprised how far these simple words can take you in a real-life conversation. They can help you make friends, ask for directions, and even order food at a restaurant. Once you have a solid foundation of basic vocabulary, you can gradually expand your knowledge to include more complex words and grammatical structures. This will make your conversations richer and more nuanced, allowing you to express yourself more fully. Section 5. Flashcard Magic. Remember words effortlessly. Learning new vocabulary is essential for any language learner. It forms the foundation of your ability to communicate effectively in a new language. But let's face it, memorizing lists of words can be tedious and ineffective. Staring at long lists can make the process feel overwhelming and discouraging. That's where flashcards come in. They transform the learning experience into something more interactive and engaging. Flashcards are a powerful tool for memorizing vocabulary and reinforcing your learning. They break down information into manageable chunks, making it easier to digest. Write the word in your target language on one side and the translation in your native language on the other side. This simple act of writing helps reinforce the memory. Use spaced repetition techniques to maximize your learning. This method ensures that you review words just before you are likely to forget them, solidifying your memory. Review the flashcards regularly, focusing on the words you find difficult to remember. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. You can even use digital flashcard apps like Anki, which automatically schedule your reviews based on your progress. These apps can track your learning and adapt to your needs. The beauty of flashcards lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. They are easy to create, use, and carry around, making them a versatile tool for any learner. They are a proven method for boosting your vocabulary and making language learning stick. With regular use, you'll find yourself remembering words effortlessly and with greater confidence. Section 6. Speak up. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. One of the biggest roadblocks for language learners is the fear of making mistakes. But here's the secret. Mistakes are your friends. They are opportunities to learn and improve. Don't be afraid to speak from day one, even if you only know a few words and phrases. The more you practice speaking, the more confident and fluent you'll become. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. The important thing is to keep practicing and not let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Embrace your mistakes as stepping stones on your language learning journey. The more you speak, the better you'll become. Section 7. Connect and converse. Language exchange partners. Learning a language in isolation can be challenging. To truly master a language, you need to interact with native speakers. That's where language exchange partners come in. Language exchange platforms like Tandem and HelloTalk connect you with native speakers from around the world who are also learning your language. You can practice speaking, writing, and even video chatting with each other. Having a language exchange partner is an invaluable resource. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the culture, learn colloquialisms, and gain valuable feedback and your pronunciation and grammar. Remember, language is all about communication. So, find a language exchange partner and start connecting with other cultures today. Section 8. The Daily Dip. Make language learning a habit. Consistency is key when it comes to learning a new language. Even short, regular study sessions are more effective than sporadic cram sessions. Make language learning a part of your daily routine, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes each day. Set realistic goals and find the time that works best for you. The key is to make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. Language learning should become an integral part of your day. Remember, small consistent efforts over time yield significant results. So, take the daily dip and watch your language skills soar. Section 9. Language. All around, integrate. Learning a language shouldn't be confined to textbooks and apps. Integrate it into your daily life to make it more enjoyable and effective. Change your social media settings to your target language. Follow influencers and pages that interest you. Read news articles and watch videos in your target language. Listen to podcasts and audiobooks while you commute, exercise, or do chores. The more you surround yourself with the language, the more natural it will become. Remember, language learning is most effective when it's woven into the fabric of your life. So get creative and find ways to make it a part of your everyday experiences. Section 10. Your language journey begins now. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering a new language. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop exploring the wonders of language learning. The world is waiting to hear your voice. So, what are you waiting for? Start your language learning adventure today.